that.
And he's not afraid of us. Oh, I'm at the wrong angle and I don't want
Oh,
to
yeah.
scare him. You can't really see him.
He's rapping.
Calling out to her friends, maybe.
For help. He
Oh,
feels surrounded. He feels like he's surrounded. It's okay, baby
What kind of bird is
bird.
that, Pastor?
I have no idea.
But it's unique.
Is there a nest in there?
It's okay.
Oh.
Oh, where's the video part? Yeah, video.
I think they're in there. You can hear them. I think they're trapped, man.
Cat?
Yeah, they're in there.
No way.
Is that why he's crying? Yeah.
The eggs?
They're probably. Oh, maybe that's why they have this.
He thinks that's his
Oh,
nest.
maybe.
Yeah, but maybe his family's in
It
there.
says buried electric line below. Caution buried.
But you know what? Certain birds, they
Shall we help him?
have a spot where they're going to have their arms.
But why? But
They're in
Oh,
there.
a certain spot for their own what? Their own breed?
Oh.
maybe he
Can't
can
fly.
fly.
Oh, that's why.
Wings, son.
Aww.
That's what it is. He's asking for
Oh, I see. Wings are feathered.
He's asking for help.
Aww.
That's what Bird is doing. Where's Alex? He would like Jesus. Yeah, he's asking for help.
I wish I knew what to do.
Wish we can help him.
Oh,
See, he's
an animal specialist.
trying to tell you.
Oh, she's trying to communicate.
Why?
Oh, I
Maybe
see.
he's gonna,
That's the gesture, showing the gesture.
Think he's hungry?